Namaste friends, hope you're doing well. We are continuing the Rasi series. Let's talk about Dhanus, or Dhanus as they call it in Tamil. It is the Sagittarius zodiac sign. It is a tawny brown color. It rises with its feet and it's strong at night. It's a royal sign. It is a biped. It is a masculine rasi and sattvic in temperament and disposition. It resides in the east and resorts to forests and gardens. It is a human guna. It is ruled by Guru or Brihaspati or Jupiter and is splendorous. Those born under the graces of the Dhanus are very optimistic people, frank, they are very forthright. They have a good zeal, charisma, enthusiasm in life. They always love to travel. Traveling is a big deal. They're very, very interested with religion. They hold by their tradition. They do not want to change anything. It doesn't matter how much they have studied, where they live, wherever they are, how modern the city is, but they still hold traditions close to their heart. Highly interested in philosophy. And also very aesthetics like music, arts, poetry, drama, sculpture, painting and all that. They love to acquire knowledge and that's how they become happy. By learning new things, they become very happy, they become contented, and they find peace by learning new things, especially when it comes to the artistic side. So that's a little bit about the Sagittarius or Dhanus Rasi. Let's continue with the Makara or Capricorn.